Hey Rob, how are you? Leo here again. Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. I wanted to shoot this quick video over to you showing you tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you if possible, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you see right here is your website. I love the logo. I love the blue. It just pops and it's beautiful with this house. This is an awesome setup up top. I like how your menu doesn't follow you down like a lot of other companies do. So overall, this homepage is not too bad, but one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more keywords to this content because Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on this homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located and what services you offer. Now, another good thing to do is the way you save these photos and videos, because these photos and videos are keywords, they're considered keywords as well, because they are content. So Lexington Roof Company needs to be changed to Roofing Company Lexington, Kentucky, Lexington Re-Roof, Lexington, Kentucky New Roof, something with the service that you have and the location that you want to be found for. Okay, so what I've actually done is I've put your website in a tool I have called Ahrefs. And what it does is it gives me the Google Analytics for your site. And as you can tell right here, you have a UR and a DR. That is the strength and the trust of your site. You're not being found for either one of those. You've got one backlink and one referring domain. So doing the tips and tricks I've shown in this video will help increase these numbers here and get that pushed up. Now this is out of 100. This URDR is out of 100. And you want to keep those moving up and keep them close together while moving up continuously. Now you've got 11 keywords and it's bringing in 40 of your organic traffic. And it's making your website more of a digital business card instead of a lead generating tool that's going to help bring a higher ROI. So I did look through your keywords down here. You're on the right path with the keywords that you have. It's just you don't have enough content and you got to have these embedded in that content. But you don't want too many keywords per word, per page, but you don't want, too little either. So you really want to go after these buyer intent keywords because that's what people are that's what people are Googling, and that's how they're going to find your service, and that's how you're going to increase your client and get those jobs up. Now, what I've done is put in roofers, Lexington, Kentucky. Now, as you see up here, these are ads. That's a great way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those, it's gone. So that's why your website's more of an asset. And if you get it to rank organically and get it up in its map pack, it's there. You don't have to pay no one to run your ads for you. And you're not in these top 3 up here, and that's fine because there are several ways that you can get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add the keywords I was talking to you about. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically. And also adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, into things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, White Pages, things like that. Because weird as it sounds, Google's like a big popularity contest, and giving out your information to as many people as possible, directories, it will make Google start to trust you more, and it will boost your business, not only in your area, but it also leaks out into your surrounding areas. Now, being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 or 40% of your traffic. And out of that traffic goes to your website and gives you a call right from there. That's the importance of having that call to action button right up top. Now, we go down to the organics down here. Bone Dry, they're the #1 competitor. And as you see, that they're lacking content as well. So by implementing and having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. I've put in these right here. This is for Lexington Roofing. So Roofing Companies Lexington, Kentucky is a 5 KD. That's how difficult it is to rank it, and it's a volume of 800. Roofing contractors, Lexington, Kentucky. Roofers, Lexington, Kentucky. And you've got a few of these. So just 5 of these keywords is a volume of 2,050, and that is insane. Looking through all these different keywords, you can see that there's a lot of different options that you can put on your website. There's a decent amount of volume here, so once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and that percentage is going to give you a call, and depending on your close rate, you turn them into a customer. Rob, I definitely hope that this video was helpful, and again, I appreciate to hear some feedback, and thanks for taking my call today. If you have any questions, comments, or current concerns, just reach out to me because I can be a resource for you if you have any questions or need answers for anything. Have a great day.